Today, I want to talk to you about how you can start your own YouTube channel today. I'm almost a year and a half into my YouTube journey, and what I am doing now is a lot different than when I started. And I kind of want to go back to my beginnings and tell you what I did so that it can give you some ideas on how you can start your own YouTube channel. My name is John McFall, and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel, where I teach you how to make money and I teach you how to manage the money that you make. In today's video, I want to talk to you about if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and kind of what the basic foundation of it should be and how you should get your ideas out there onto video so that you can start creating content that's going to help build you a subscriber base, that's going to help you create and get your YouTube channel going. The first thing I'm going to recommend to you is, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, really focus in on and define exactly what niche you want to be in. And what I mean by niche is, what topic do you want to center your YouTube channel around? This is a really important thing because you really need to make sure that you're talking about the same topic in your videos as you are putting them out, because if you just throw out random videos that are about different things all the time, people are not going to watch you. And one thing I recommend that you do is, once you decide what this topic is, take yourself onto YouTube and start watching videos from the content that creators that are already in the niche. Go out there and find videos that are being posted by the people that are already on there, because this will really give you some good ideas on what type of content they're putting out there that's being successful with their viewers. Go find those videos that are getting a lot of views, and you can see what kind of things the people are talking about around your niche, so that you can start taking some ideas from those to start creating your own topics. The second thing that you should really do is, once you have started watching these videos and you get some ideas into your head, start doing some brainstorming. Literally get out a pen and a pad of paper and start writing down the ideas that you have for the videos that you want to put together, and just get it all out on paper. Don't worry about making it all proper and in the right order. Just throw your ideas that you have in your head that you want to talk about and put them down on a piece of paper. And what this will do is, this will allow you to start building up a group of content ideas that you're going to have that you can start building on, so that you can build out what your list of videos are going to be about. When I first started doing YouTube and I started talking about food delivery, I spent a ton of time watching the videos on YouTube about gig tubers that they were putting out about food delivery. And what this really did for me is, it really put some ideas into my head about what I wanted to talk about. But even more than that, it really put together in my mind, I picked out the things that I saw that the gig tubers weren't talking about, that I could start putting into my own videos, so that I could come up with some creative and new ideas that were going to be out there about my niche that people weren't already talking about. A lot of my content, I talk about similar things to the other gig tubers that are out here in this niche. However, a lot of the stuff that I put out here is completely different from what the other people are talking about. And this really helps me stand apart from those people and kind of creates my own identity out here and gives me a different angle to go at that everybody else isn't. You'll find a lot of gig tube creators out here putting out content, and they're just putting out the same thing all the time. They're talking about the same things, and they're saying the same things all the time, because they don't have a creative side that helps them dig a little bit deeper. And when you want to get into a niche, pick out those things that people aren't talking about and start putting those down on paper, so you can get some good ideas on the videos that you want to create. The next thing that you want to do is you've got a whole bunch of stuff on this piece of paper that's going over the different topics that you threw out of your head so that you could get everything out there. Now you want to start organizing those thoughts and putting them into a list, and start creating a list of the different things that you can create your videos around. When I took a look at my paper, I actually created a list of the first 25 videos that I wanted to put out there. I actually had a list that talked about the 25 different videos that I wanted to create before I even started my YouTube channel, and this really helped me get a jump start on creating content for my channel, because I had a lot of things that I could talk about, and I had a lot of things that I could create videos about. So creating this list of 25 things really helped me out when it came to starting my YouTube channel. The third thing that I want to talk to you about is, once you have got your ideas out on the paper and you've put them into a nice list and the videos that you want to create, go grab your phone, or if you already have a camera, go grab your camera and start recording. A lot of people, they don't get their YouTube channels off the ground because they don't hit that record button. When I first started, I literally mounted my phone on my windshield with a magnet, and I pushed record and I started talking. And what you want to do is start recording as many of these videos as you can before you are going to even start your YouTube channel. And the reason that you want to do this is because this will give you some time to start getting comfortable in front of the camera by just recording a whole bunch of videos. And it will also allow you, if you've never done editing before, it will allow you to have a large bulk of content that you can start editing, so you can start learning what to do. And if you have a bulk quantity of, let's say, 15 or 20 or 25 videos, by time you get done editing all those videos, you're going to have a basic idea of what to do. So now that you've got a group of videos that you can put out there, start your YouTube channel and get it going off the ground. When I started mine, I put 3 videos out and started my channel because that's what somebody recommended when I was watching videos on starting a YouTube channel. But I put out 3 videos, and then I started putting out videos. At first it was 2 times a week, and then after a couple of weeks I bumped it up to 3 times a week. But figure out what your schedule is going to be as far as when you're going to put those videos out there, and start getting those videos uploaded to YouTube. Start with your first 3, and then at your next scheduled date, get another one out, and then at the next scheduled date, get another one out, and continue this process and keep going down this path so that you can get your YouTube channel started and go in the right direction. And then stay with that schedule and keep that schedule as long as you are working on your YouTube channel, so that you can be consistent in what you're doing, because consistency is a huge thing when it comes to the people that are coming to your channel, and also to the YouTube algorithm. If you want to be successful, you've got to cater to the algorithm, and one of the things that does that is being consistent in putting the content out there. If you're very sporadic at it, if you don't do it on a consistent basis on a regular schedule, YouTube will notice that. So make sure that once you get your channel started, that you get a consistent schedule going, whether it's 1 video a week or 2 videos a week or 3 days videos a week, or maybe you're posting every day. Whatever that schedule is that you decide on, stick with that schedule once you get started on your channel. Once you get your channel going, you're likely going to be like I was when I first started. I was literally on my phone as much as I could, looking at YouTube Studio, seeing how well my videos were doing, seeing if they were getting any views, and seeing if they were getting any likes. And once people started subscribing to my channel, I was watching that number and seeing how many people I was getting to come and subscribe to my channel. This is something that you're going to do because it's something brand new and something very excited for you. The one thing I want to say though is, yes, these numbers are important, and in the beginning they are going to be very low, but keep putting that content out there. Once you start going, keep that momentum going, because although it seems like nobody is watching your videos and nobody is liking your videos, and you're getting just a trickle of subscribers to hit your channel once you first start, over time you're going to see that as your channel grows and as you start putting out more content, and as you're consistent, and as you get better at recording, as you get better at editing, as you get better at everything that you're doing on YouTube, that snowball effect is going to start happening, and you're going to start getting more and more and more all of the stats on your YouTube studio. You're going to get more views, you're going to get more likes, you're going to get more subscribers, more people are going to be commenting. So in the beginning it's going to be really hard, because things are seemingly going to take forever to get even off the ground. But if you stick with it and you go with it and you continue to work on it, and you continue putting out content, and you continue getting better at the content that you're putting out there, you're going to see those numbers go up, and you're going to see that you're going to build a good YouTube channel for yourself. Want to remind you that down here in my description I have some great tools for you. The one I want to talk to you about today is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a tool that I've used since the beginning of this channel, and I've used it ever since. It's a tool that helps me get more views and more likes and more subscribers. I'm going to throw a quick video up here so you guys can check it out.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
I do want to let you know, if you get a paid version from the link down here in my description, I do get commission from it. But the great thing about TubeBuddy is you can use TubeBuddy for absolutely free. If you go check out TubeBuddy, you'll see it's going to help you improve what you're doing on your channel. I'd also like to ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Finally, I want to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.